Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Now for today's adventure slash video, it's something I've not done before here on this channel, but it's just something I want to share with you, something from my end that has helped me, and I just want to talk a little bit today about Google Ads. Do Google Ads work? Now I cannot speak for everyone, and I cannot speak for, it's a little bit different with everyone how they are, but about a few months ago, about 2.5 months ago, I was trying to figure out a way to get a little bit of boost to the channel, to Adventures in TV Land, and I purchased some Google Ads for this YouTube channel, for Adventures in TV Land. Now, this channel, Adventures in TV Land, had tremendous success from those Google Ads. I did not purchase a ton of them. It was the money that I spent. It was more than $50, less than $100, somewhere in between there. So I just say that because actually I'm not quite sure what the exact price was, but it was somewhere in that price range for a month period to. I purchased ads just to boost the channel a little bit, to try to get over that 1,000 subscriber threshold is what my goal was in purchasing those ads. For Adventures in TV Land, that was a wise and worthy investment, because due to that, over the period of within about 3 weeks' time, I gained almost 500 subscribers. And the only thing I can attribute to that huge boost was due to the Google Ads that I had purchased. So for Adventures in TV Land, that was a worthy purchase. Now, it may not work out for you in that case. I don't know. I can't say it works all the time. This was one of the first time, because it was the first time here for this channel that I've tried doing that, and it was a worthy and worthwhile investment for here. Now, would it be? It depends on what your goal is. It depends on your channel, I guess the size of your channel, the audience, and what your niche is, and all of those things. I don't know, but for Adventures in TV Land, Google Ads were a worthy investment. And if you're looking for a little bit of a boost, something to gain a little bit of audience, it'd be worthwhile at least checking into them and maybe purchasing a small amount. I mean, you can set your budget so it can be as small as, I think, as $1 up to thousands of dollars if you so wish and had the funds to do so. But anyway, so in this case, yes, Google Ads do work. Now, will they work for you? I guess you need to just check it out and see. So, there you have it. I hope you've liked this video. If you've liked it, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content. I tend to focus on, I love Americana, roadside attractions, museums, historical sites, and just odd and unusual places. The things that people often overlook. Ring that bell for email notifications. Until next time, that's a wrap.